Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the mass transfer operation 2. Okay, unit number 3, humidification operation. The part is the equipment. Okay, different equipment જોવાના છે આપણે આ બેસિસ પર this is the water cooling tower. Equipment માં water cooling tower. The types of cooling tower, this one. Number of cooling towers. Arrangement છે અલગ-અલગ. Now the mass transfer rate, then the tray towers, spray chambers, strips, pounds. Okay, so all discussion part for a humidification operation. Now start the discussion part for a cooling tower, water cooling tower. Now any of the gas liquid contact device described in this chapter are applicable to the operation described here, and conventional packed and tray tower are very effective in these services. Now water cooling tower, air and water are low cost and some substances and where large volume of the handled. As many water cooling operation equipment of low initial cost and low operating cost is essential. The framework and internal packing are frequently of redwood. Again repeated, for which equipment is a water cooling tower or any of the gas liquid contact device described any this unit applicable to the operation described here, and conventional packed and a tray tower are very effective in this service. Now the water cooling, air and water are low cost substances and where large volume must be handled, as in many water cooling operation equipment of low initial cost and low operating cost is essential. To the framework and internal packaging are frequently of redwood and material which is very durable in continuous contact with water, or Douglas fir in impre regeneration of the wood under the pressure, which funguses such as coal tar, rustose, and the pentachlorophenos, acid, copper chromate, and the like is commonplace. Siding for the tower is commonly redwood, asbestos, cement, glass reinforced, polyester, plastics, and other liking for a cooling water tower equipment. And how to work એ આપણે ડિટેલમાં જોઈએ. Tower have been built entirely this section of plastic. The internal packing fill is usually modified for the hurdle in this chapter, horizontal slots arranging the stages wise the alternate tires at the right angles. The plastic packaging may be polypropylene molded in a grid or other form. A great many arrangements are used. The void space is very large, usually greater than the 90%, so that the gas pressure drop will be used low as the possibilities, and the air water interfacial surfaces consequently included. Not only that the liquid films which wet the starts or other packaging, but also the surface of the droplets which fall as rain from each tier of packing to the next streams. Now the common arrangement are shown schematically in a figure 7.17. Of the natural circulation tower is the atmospheric tower depend on the prevailing winds for air movement. The natural draft design ensure more positive air movement even in a calm weather by depending upon this displacement of the warm air inside. Tower by the color, outside air, fairly tall. Chimneys are the required. Both these tower types must be relatively tall in order to operate at a small wet bulb temperature. Natural draft equipment is used commonly in the southwestern United States and the Middle East, where the humidity is usually low, in a part of the Europe where air temperature are generally low and with increasing frequency. Everywhere as the energy for fan the power becomes more costly. This basis. Okay. Now the first of all show in a figure one by one and draw it. Now complete the discussion part. Okay, so simply water cooling tower. Atmospheric cooling tower, natural draft, forced draft, countercurrent induced draft, cross flow induced draft, wet and dry tower. This is the cooling tower arrangement. Now the mechanically draft tower may be of the forced draft type, where the air is then blown into the tower by the fan. At the bottom, these are the particularly subject to recirculation of the hot and humid discharge air into the fan intact owing to the low discharging, which materially reduce the tower effectiveness. Induced draft with the fan at the top avoids the also permit more uniform internal distribution. The arrangement of this figure 7.17 and E are the most commonly used, and a more detailed drawing is shown in this figure. Liquid data are ordinarily in this range L 0.7 to 3.5 kilogram per meter square and the 500 to 2500. 500 to 5000 lb per feet square into hour. The superficial air rates are of the order of G-S is equal to 1.6 to 2.8 kilogram per meter square into second, and 1200 to 2100 lb per feet square into hour, whereupon the air pressure drop is ordinarily less than 250 Newton per meter square. (25 mm H2O). If a fogging is excessive, fine type the heat exchanger can be used to evaporate the fog by heat from the hot water to be cooled, as in this figure 7.17F. This is the inductive draft cooling tower. So induce the cooling tower. The cross iron base pellets, steel foundation, partitions, redwood basins, draft sword, fan, gear reducer, motor, fan desk, draft eliminator, double casing, redwood diagonal branching, redwood slipped fat. Okay. Now the mass transfer rate in the different values. Superficial air rates are on the order of G dash S is equal to 1.6 to 2.8 kilogram per meter square into second, and 1200 to 2100 lb per feet square into hour. Okay, these basis mass transfer rate hours, spray chambers. Now this point in a spray chamber for a figure wise, dehumidification by order, other method, non-adiabatic operation, evaporating cooling. Most of the point is a cover up in this finish this chapter. Example આપણે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ પીયુ સેક્શનમાં જોઈ લીધા છે. ઓકે, mass transfer rate, the correlations of mass transfer coefficient for the standard packing discussed in the chapter 6 are suitable for the operation discussed here. See particularly in illustrations. Additional data for humidifications with barrel saddle, interlock saddle, fall ring are available. Data for some of the special lower fiddlings generally used for water cooling tower are available in the taxis specializing in this type of the equipment. Tray tower, these are very effective but are not commonly used in a humidification, dehumidification, gas cooling operation for some reasons of cost and relatively high pressure drop. Except under special circumstances, design consideration are available at this point. Spray chamber, these are essentially horizontally spray tower, and maybe some arrange in this figure. There are the frequently used for adiabatic humidification. Some cooling operation with a recirculating liquid with large liquid drops, gas rate up to the roughly 0.8 to 1.2 kg per meter square into second, and 600 to 900 lb per ft square into h are some possible, but any case entrainment eliminator for a necessary part shown in a figure, this one. ઓકે, સ્પ્રે ચેમ્બર તમારા માટે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે, એ એક્ઝામમાં પૂછી શકે છે વારંવાર. પ્લસ સ્કેમેટિક એરેન્જમેન્ટ આપ્યું છે એનું. દેન સ્પ્રે બોન્ડ્સ, no any, this is the point for a spray bond. Okay, this is spray bonds. 7.20 is a conditioning process. It is the spray ponds. There are the sometimes for using this figure. Okay. Spray chamber and spray ponds. This is an important theory for a part of this simply figure. Temperature, adsorption, humidity, and figure wise. Okay. So thank you so much. आ डायग्राम खास याद रख दो तुम्हें.